spaceships and smooches. Can humans and aliens get busy? Buckle up, space cowboys, because we're blasting off to explore intergalactic love. Hey, today's mission, decoding alien affection. Can humans and aliens get their groove on? Well, science says maybe, but here on Earth, love needs matching DNA. Aliens, though, they could be silicon-based, breathe methane, or have a whole new genetic code. Not exactly a walk in the park for baby making. So, scratch the candlelit dinners. Maybe aliens have bioluminescent tentacles for a more winks out of this world experience. But hold on, Space Cadet. Communication is key. Unless you're fluent in Venusian love songs, your flirting might get lost in translation. And let's not forget the little things, like spaceship malfunctions, intergalactic STDs, yikes.